Well, the first thing you have to do, because I go around and one of the things that I do and I want to keep doing is educate the people on the different options that they have in regards to the disease. If they have cancer, and if you have cancer and you sit in front of me, I could tell you, well, there's a lot of different options. I could tell you the pros about getting treatment with alternative therapies or non-traditional therapies. And I could tell you the pros of getting chemotherapy and radiation, which are not very many. So I would explain to you what your options are, and you don't really necessarily need to come to us, Integrative Cancer Therapy Centers, but I would encourage you to do something, and as soon as possible, because these are diseases that you can wait around and do 2 months of research and not do anything and just let disease eat you away, and you're just waiting and deciding whether to do this or do that. And a lot of patients, unfortunately, do that. Because there's so many options out there that they discover later on when they're doing the research. But what is really effective? That's one of the things that I try to explain to people and to patients, the effectiveness of the therapies. Because there's doctors that have been doing this for 30, 50 years and that have been using the same thing for that long with a success rate of less than 20%. The success rate that we have in regards to treating the patient is over 60%, 70%, depending on the patient. Now, I'm not guaranteeing you that that's going to be the case for you, but I could tell you that most of the patients that we see are very pleased with the way they are treated, what we do for them, how we treat them, and their future is bright.